welcome to the problem session of exercise 11C. Today I am going to do question number 4 part 3. I would like all of you to appreciate Abdul Rahman who has sent this problem to me. Now please see. A4 plus B4, A square plus B square, A plus B into A minus B. First of all, we are going to solve these two brackets and other two brackets will remain as it is. Now A here into A minus B, then plus B, always remember the signs, into A minus B. Now this A with this all and this A with this B also. Then this B with this A and this B with this B. Now A into A will give you A square and A into B will give you AB. Then plus B into A will give you BA. Now B into B will give you B square. Remember the signs, plus minus minus and plus 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 minus minus. Don't make a mistake of signs. Now this AB is of minus sign and this BA is of plus sign. They will get cancelled also because AB is equal to BA by commutative law. Like 2 into 4 is equal to 8 and 4 into 2 also is equal to 8. Now this bracket as it is, this bracket as it is, and what is left from here? A square minus B square. Now these two brackets will be evaluated. Now A square as it is into the whole A square minus B square, then plus B square into whole A square minus B square. Now this with this also and with this also. Now this with this and this also with this. Now A square into A square, A raised to the power 4. Then A square into B square plus minus minus A square B square. Then B square into A square plus 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 B square A square. And then plus minus minus B square into B square B4. Now this is again of minus and this is of plus and they are like terms. They will get cancelled. Now A4 minus B4 is left. Now A4 into whole A4 minus B4 plus B4 into whole A4 minus B4. Now A4 into A4 into A4. I just say this A4. It is not actually A4. It is A to the power 4. So 4 plus 4, 8 and A into this. So A raised to the power 4 and B raised to the power 4. Now plus 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 B raised to the power 4, A raised to the power 4 plus minus minus B raised to the power 4 into B raised to the power 4 will give you B raised to the power 8. Now again this is of minus sign and this is of plus sign and they both are like terms. They will get cancelled and A8 minus B8 is the answer. Now always remember children, maths is a subject of understanding. Don't have an issue of this thing where to solve the questions in a new copy or an old register. That's not a matter. Only thing is that you should understand the concept. Make your concepts clear. I hope I am clear to you and have a nice day.